What is up, guys? It's me, your favorite YouTuber, pretty much ever. First of all, I'll be cooking today because I'm a chef. Gordon Ramsay officiated me. So, oh, okay. I forgot where I had saved the recipe, but I remember now. Okay, it's really cold, so I might put on a hoodie. I have the recipe, and I'm just gonna, jump right in.
What up, y'all?
Okay, do we have parchment paper? Is that the thing that goes in the oven?
Yes, we do.
Is that the thing that goes in the oven?
Oh, I just got a glimpse of Lee, Uncle Lee. Yes, it is him. To answer your question.
Is this? Yeah. Did I sound like a bird? My recollection of the scream, I feel like it sounded like a bird. Do you spray parchment paper, guys?
Haley, maybe you can just continue, just clean the whole kitchen.
No thanks. Do you spray parchment paper?
No.
It's non-stick itself.
Mm-hmm. How was dinner, boo-boo?
Good.
Excuse me. You like the barbecue sauce?
I did.
And your chops, those are some thick pork chops, huh?
Yes.
I know.
I had to take little bites.
Thanks to
Don't look
our
over.
shopper. She did a really good job. Uh-oh. Your thing. My hands are wet.
My what? Oh, thank you. Okay, first up, parchment paper on your pan.
Baking sheet.
Is that what they're called?
Mm-hmm.
Wax paper. Is that the same thing as parchment paper?
It's not actually. It's different. It is different. Parchment paper, I think, is. Glad I. No.
Glad
You were literally about to start a house fire. I'm kidding. I don't know, but it's not parchment
Like
paper.
I said, Gordon Ramsay officiated me, so I know what I'm doing. That's why I double checked. Always double check with your supervisors.
Where's my phone? Hey, Google. Can you put wax paper in the oven?
Aluminum.
According to Food Network, at high temperatures, the wax will melt and the paper itself can catch fire. So you want to always high heat situations, like in the oven or toaster oven.
I'm just gonna stick to the spray.
Oh my gosh, Haley. That was close.
We were just talking about
There's parchment paper. I'm not kidding. Exactly.
We were just talking about fires. You know what?
There is parchment paper for sure.
Yeah, but I know how to use this more,
Don't get it everywhere.
I know how to spray. Look.
Shh. Haley, you did not leave all these out.
Oh, I thought you were saying that my spray was bad. I was like, Please. Okay, over here, which you cannot see. Keep going. You're gonna break it. I actually don't need this.
Oh my gosh. I don't think anything has ever gone in my ear like that before. That was
It didn't even go in.
creepy. It felt like it went in.
It felt
It touched my drum.
Okay, so over here, I guess I'll show you. We have flour, egg, and sugar. And by egg, I mean singular. In case you were wondering.
And by egg, I
That's
mean
my ring light.
egg.
Let me just make sure I have all the ingredients. One thing this house never pretty much runs out of is butter, huh?
No.
I don't think we
And I don't even use it like that.
Right. It's probably, that's why it's
Oh.
there. I was like, Ryan, that's weird.
Exactly.
That's so weird.
Sorry, guys. We're tired.
It's 11
We are
o'clock at
tired.
night.
And you have to excuse the house. We just be living.
house is fine.
We just be living.
Say
Living
something
life.
about our house.
We don't have the
I
lights
dare you.
on today. We're just.
How much was it? 100 grams of
Tired, not feeling well.
butter?
All of it. No.
What's the difference between... I have to use 100 grams of butter. But what's the difference between teaspoons and grams?
They told you in grams?
Yes. Because they're bakers.
So? The butter doesn't come like that. Weird. It's like at the hospital when they tell you in kilograms how much you weigh.
5 grams
not-
is 1 teaspoon. Where did teaspoons come from?
Teaspoons are what's on there, isn't it?
No, this is tablespoons.
Tablespoons? Oh my gosh, now you have to convert again?
No, I just have
What
to
are you making? This better be good.
It will be.
Okay.
That's how much butter, guys. Starting off great.
Not just shell. Just shell. Where's the actual scoop? It should be in there.
It's in that one.
No, the one for that.
That's the one we put in there.
I found one and I was like, oh, I'll just save it in case I need it. No, you stay there.
Got it.
Look at what this. Next time I get some ground turkey,
I'm scared.
we're putting feta cheese
They
in the
mixed
middle.
it with a fork, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It looks like eggs. 1 cup of flour. Aww. I was looking through the comments on Pinterest because that's where obviously I found the recipe. But someone in the comments was like, "Can someone put this measure? Can someone? This may be. Oh my goodness! This may be too much to ask, but can someone put the measurements in cups, please?" And someone did it. I don't think I can make the little hearts out of them because they're so like breakety. You know? Alright, I'll be back when it beeps. Right now I'm going to clean up my mess. I'm going to give them about 10 minutes to cool off.
Yes.
Open. Open. Open.
Oh my gosh, that looks delicious.
Okay, you have to try it. It's supposed to be strawberry jam, but I had to improvise.
It's good.
There's a
Something.
but.
It seems like there's something like with all the sugar you put in. It seems like it should be sweeter, but it's very good. I would eat those all.
Okay, everyone gets 2 but me.
You get 1.
I get 3. Ready?
Oh my gosh, how did you even put a heart in there? I thought it was dug out.
All right, Maddie, that's
Okay.
yours.
Gimme, gimme.
Here, bite
What
into
do
it.
you say?
It's
Not
crumbly,
gimme,
so put a
gimme. What
hand
do you say?
underneath it.
Yummy.
You like it? It's about to fall off on this side. They're pretty good. I do think they're better without the jelly, though. They're probably better without the jelly because it's supposed to be strawberry jam and not grape jelly. But the cookies itself are really good. Them from from scratch. I added flour, sugar, butter. Very nice. Like them?
Very good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think I should bake next. And I will see you guys next video. Bye-bye.